Also guys, in this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how I get more daily credits to use and generate my images or videos. So this trick I'm going to show you is basically for those, let me say for those of you that normally use multiple emails to sign up on a particular website. And if you notice, most of the time, once you claim on the first one, it doesn't allow you to claim on the second account and so on. So in this particular trick, I'm going to show you the easiest way how I normally get more than 5 times my credits on a particular website, even with all the whole restriction. So without further ado, let me just go straight into the tutorial and show you how to claim your own credits.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
Alright guys, here's the website we are going to be trying out. Now on this particular website, if you notice, normally if you come, you normally get daily credit on this particular website. This particular trick I'm going to show you, you can also try it on other websites. So I'm going to be trying it on this particular website and I will show you how it works. If you have, like, for example, multiple emails, you'll sign up with multiple emails on a particular website. And if you notice something, like, especially on this website, I've noticed that on this particular website, that is why I'm bringing it to show you how to go about it, how to still get those, like on this particular website. If you happen to claim your credit for the day, if you switch to another account and you are not going to be able to claim another credit because it's definitely going to track your IP address. So now what I'm going to show you now, I'll show you the easy trick how I used to claim from the same PC. So now here is what I did. Now you can see on this particular, what you need to do is to, first of all, when you log into your account, like in my case, I have like 3 different browsers. You can see I logged in using this particular browser and also logged in using another browser. You can see they are all 3 different accounts. You can see this one is a different account, and also on this I have different accounts, and also on this particular browser I also have a different account over here. So now what you need to do first is to first of all reload. Once you every day, just open the website. Once you open it, ensure this particular reminder is pops up. Once it pops up like this, you can see this one, it pops up. Now I'm going to now go and to this other one, reload also, and make sure it also pops up. Now on this other third one also, I'm going to do the same thing, reload and make sure it pops up, but I'm not going to click on it yet. So once it pops, all of them pops up, what you're going to do, you remember on this, I'm already logged in. Now what I'm going to do on this one, I have a VPN here, but I'm not going to use VPN on this particular one. Now I'm going to now claim on this site. Now before I claim on this site, let me quickly go over here and turn on my VPN. I'll turn this VPN to this location, Amsterdam. I'm going to turn it to this Amsterdam. Then I'm going to, you can use any VPN. The VPN I use was you can just search for your extensions and just search for VPN, and this particular one I use. So now I'm going to, you can use any one VPN you wish to. So on this other one, I'm going to, instead of Amsterdam, I'm going to check a different location. Let me say I'm using Singapore. So on this one, I'm connected to Singapore. While on this other one, I'm connected to Amsterdam. So now on this one, I'm going to use my normal Nigerian IP. So now once I'm going to now do, I'll claim on this. Once I claim on this, you can see today credit has been claimed. You can see it has added over here. Now I'm going to now come to where we have on this other one. You can see I have 90 here. I'm going to claim here. You now see I have 100 on the same PC. Now I'm going to the third one, and you can see I have 30 here. I'll claim, you can see it has, and I have 40. So that is just the trick you can use. Now you can see now I have opportunity to use my 3 accounts and claim. So if you have multiple browsers on your system, so you can you can cap as many accounts and claim all the whole credits for that day using this particular trick. Just change your location. That's just the truth. That's the truth about the matter. Once you change the location, it's going to give you the IP, this thing. So I think same thing way is going to might also apply even if you're using the same browser. But the thing there, although I won't tested it, but I believe it should work. If this particular trick works this way, it should work in when you're using the same browser. Like for example, if I should remember, like this one, okay, once I claim here, what I need to do before I will sign out, then then turn on my VPN around turn on VPN, use a different location and sign into a new account. I think it should also, that way should also work. But I think the one I've tried is the using of 2 to 3 different browsers. Which you see is working perfectly well. So that's just a trick. So you can try this particular trick to other websites that gives you daily credits. So I'd like you guys to try it out and tell me your experience. Were you able to get the credit? I just want to know your experiences in the comment section. So I'll be expecting feedback from you guys.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.